In this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix something went wrong error on Microsoft 365 Copilot app. If this video helps, please like and subscribe to this channel. Alright, so if you are experiencing this error on your Microsoft 365 Copilot app, there are quite a number of steps you can take to fix this. In most cases, you are experiencing this because your app has incurred a glitch. To fix this, you need to go to your phone and look for settings. From settings, go down to apps. Under apps, look for this option, manage apps or all apps. This will list all the apps you have on your phone. From the list, search for Copilot, and here it is. Tap on it to open, and now this will take us to the Copilot app info page. From this, go to force stop, okay, then clear data and clear cache, okay, and then clear all data. Once you are done, restart your smartphone, and now if you open your Copilot app, everything should be okay. It should be running without any issue. However, at this point, if you still incur the same problem, then most likely check and then see if you're using any VPN. It might be the cause for this. Uninstall it or turn it off to see if this fixes your issue. However, if it doesn't, then go to Google Play Store or App Store if you're on iPhone and search for Copilot. So I'll search for Copilot, and then here it is. Now we have our Microsoft Copilot here. Go ahead and update it to the latest version to fix this. In most cases, this should now work. However, if it doesn't, then most likely Microsoft Copilot might have experienced an internal server error. For that, you'll need to wait and try again after some few minutes. Now everything should be up and running without any issue. If you have any other question, kindly comment below. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.